It's Epicflows, yeah.
Epicflows production.
Yeah. Thanks for finally accepting my date for babes. Long time I want to bring you on a date, you know.
Well, so you go on and persistent and be things, but I feel like say serious, you know.
Yeah man, me serious babes. I talk about man, me serious now, but I cry feel like how I kill ball on stage, you know. I talk about. You look very beautiful tonight there though.
Thanks. You don't look too bad yourself.
Cha.
Thank you.
Thanks my boss.
How sir?
Let me hear somebody clap.
But nobody not clap. I want you.
Hear somebody clap. Let me hear somebody clap.
I can't hear troubles. I wonder if the boy is mad.
I really am out to clap, so.
It's Epicflows, yeah.
Epicflows production.
Radekal and Epicflows. Leash. Big bad boy Jamaican, you know. Kingston.
Yeah.